Hey, it's John. John's Trucks and Equipment. Today is a 2000 Peterbilt 379. This has got the C16 cat. 600 horse. Factory 600 horse cat. It's a match to the other one I have. Came from the same location in California. 596,000 actual miles on this truck. It's got the 18-speed transmission. It's a brand new Remaned transmission we just put in it. We put in a new clutch at the same time. Brand new Jaws fifth wheel on it. .225-inch wheelbase. It's got full locking rear ends. All aluminum wheels, tall 24 tires. Frame is very clean, coming out of California. That is its original white paint. Air track suspension. It's in very good condition. It's ready to go. We've fully gone through it. DOT'd, serviced. It's ready to go to work. It is a working pulling machine. Give us a call.